So the TriAnkle project is an European-funded project with 6 million euros, and the goal of the project is to develop new solutions for cartilage and tendon repair with a special focus on elite athletes and active aging population.
Osteoarthritis is the most common form of arthritis and is the most prevalent form of adult chronic pain and long-term disability.
In terms of the tendinopathies and in cartilage damage, we really have a big problem because there are some treatments that are not successful.
Regenerative medicine is unique in the facet that it can be truly personalized. It can look to understand an individual's condition and provide a treatment pathway that is best suited for that patient and thus lead to a better outcome.
What we're trying to do with bioprinting is basically to reproduce natural tissues, natural living structures. So what you need in order for a biomaterial to be a good bioink are three things. First, you need the material to be compatible with cells. And this you can get either, like we do in the TriAnkle project, by taking nature existing materials. In the TriAnkle project, we use collagen, which is our main protein in the body that gives us structure, or gelatin, which is derived from collagen. So either you take nature-derived materials or you take materials that mimic natural materials. And in any case, these need to be materials where cells are happy to be around. So cells need to be need to live well. Second thing you need is the material to be flowable. So you need a material that can flow homogeneously so that you can print and generate defined structures with the material. And the third property you need is the material to be able to strengthen after printing. Our immune system is designed to attack, not to repair. So that's why for us as humans it's very difficult to regenerate. No? One of the things that we want to do in the TriAnkle project is try to overcome this problem and try to at least generate options to go into this direction and regenerating damaged tissues. So in the TriAnkle project, we are in a very fascinating phase of the project now. We have already developed all the tools that we want to use in the project. We have developed our bioinks based on collagen and gelatin. We have developed our stem cells. We have developed growth factors protected so that we can now combine all these materials together and test these new therapeutic options we want to develop for tendon and cartilage repair. And now we are starting in different levels of in vitro and soon also in vivo testing